To build this garden box, I'll be using scrap wood I have laying in my garage. Line up your boards evenly and take the measurement for your connecting board length. Now that we have the exact length, the remaining cuts will be the same. Now we have all our connecting boards cut, we can start putting together the walls. Plan ahead where the connecting boards will go. These two boards will be used for the ends. We'll need to cut them in half. The screws I have are a bit too long. I added a temporary board on the bottom to drill into. It's a bit too stuck on there, so I'll need to change my method. Drilling into cardboard, I can easily remove it afterwards. I use my knee to apply pressure and as a guide to drill straight into the wood. Now for the end boards. The two screws in each of the connecting boards are off center, so they do not split the wood. Time to put them together. I clamp them in place so I can screw them in. Screw in all four corners. Measure 2 boards for the base. Fit them into the base and screw them in place. Now it's time to stain and seal the wood. On the other boxes I built, I stained the wood before assembling it, but I skipped that step this time and did it at the end. Let it dry for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, depending on how thick your coat is. This is the finished box filled with dirt. I built other larger boxes as well for more plants. Here we have some strawberry sprouts that we're going to be planting into this box that we just built. We added some dirt into it from the back. This is an open-ended garden box, so the roots will be able to go right into the grass.